Okay, now we will see what do you mean by superconductors. Now there are certain materials, there are certain conductors that once you start decreasing their temperature, the resistance also starts decreasing. मतलब जैसे जैसे तुम उसका टेम्परेचर कम करते जाते हो, उसका रेजिस्टेंस जो वो ऑफर करता है वो भी धीरे धीरे कम हो जाता है. और नेचुरली रेजिस्टेंस कम होता है, इसका मतलब क्या है? रेजिस्टेंस कम हो रहा है मीन्स उसका करंट जो उसमें से फ्लो होगा वो इंक्रीज हो रहा है. ओके मतलब जैसे जैसे हम टेम्परेचर को कम करेंगे, एज वी आर रिड्यूसिंग द टेम्परेचर, it is going to conduct more and more of current because the resistance is also decreasing. Now at one particular temperature, it happens that the resistance becomes nearly zero. That means it is going to conduct nearly all the current. It is going to offer zero resistance. And then what happens? Once if you set up the current in them, there is no requirement to maintain a potential difference. Till now what you have studied, that till you are making a difference in the potential, till potential difference is applied, the current will flow. जब तक बैटरी कनेक्ट किया, जब तक सेल को कनेक्ट किया, करंट फ्लो होगा. द मोमेंट यू रिमूव द बैटरी और द सेल, द PD applied is removed and the current stops flowing. But here that is not the case. Here just once you have to set up the current, and after that, since there is zero resistance, the current goes on flowing. And mathematically also you can prove. Now see, conductivity means what? Opposite of resistivity or opposite of resistance, correct? Now resistance is 0, so conductance is 1 upon 0, that is infinity. So at 0 resistance, conductance becomes infinity. So it is so nice that we can supply the current even without applying a potential difference. But what are these temperatures? Let us see. Now there are some examples I am giving here of superconductors and their temperatures. For example, mercury, that is Hg, mercury at 4.2 Kelvin, lead below 7.25 Kelvin, and niobium below 9.2 Kelvin. So you can see these are such low temperatures, and it is hence impossible for us also to survive in that temperature and make them work. So the main problem with these superconductors are that we cannot make them perform at room temperature. Okay, so otherwise most of our problems would have been solved of electricity. Now how to overcome this problem? We have got some other materials, conductors known as semiconductors. Now these are the conductors who conduct or offer very less resistance at room temperature also. Not zero resistance, but lesser resistance. They are known as semiconductors. For example, carbon, silicon, germanium. Okay, but they don't give us the conductivity. We won't get the performance of superconductors. Okay, but still they are better than the other conductors. So this is the difference. So that is why in the computer chips and all that we are using semiconductors. Semiconductors is not mentioned in your textbook what it is, but then they are using it everywhere. So I have just explained you. You have to just remember that semiconductors are those which offer minimum resistance or less resistance at room temperature. Okay.